Today, I'm going to show you how to create a happy dog icon in Figma, step by step, using a super easy free plugin. This is a great quick tutorial if you want to add cute icons to your designs without drawing them from scratch. Whether you're building an app mockup, a social post, a presentation, or just practicing in Figma, this method will save you time and give you a polished result fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips, design tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Figma and go to your design file. If you already have a project open, that's perfect. If not, create a new design file so you have a clean workspace to work in. Once you're inside the Figma design canvas, take a look at the bottom toolbar. You'll see the Actions icon there. Click on that Actions icon to open up more tools and options inside Figma. After that, click on Plugins and Widgets. This is where you can access helpful tools that make designing much faster. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is a popular plugin that gives you access to thousands of icons, making it one of the easiest ways to insert the exact icon you need into a design. Once you see Iconify in the results, run the plugin. Give it a moment to load, and then you'll see its search interface appear. Now go to the search bar inside the plugin and type dog. After typing dog, press enter. This will bring up a list of dog-related icons that you can choose from. Now, look through the available results and find a smiling dog icon. Since we want a happy dog icon, choose one that has a cheerful or friendly expression. When you find the one you like, simply drag and drop it onto your Figma canvas. You can place it wherever it fits best in your design. At this point, you can also resize the icon if needed, change its color to match your brand, or move it into position with the rest of your layout. That's one of the best parts about using icons in Figma. You can quickly customize them to fit your project without starting from zero. If you want, you can duplicate it, place it inside a frame, or use it as part of a larger illustration or UI element. And that's it. You've now created a happy dog icon in Figma using Iconify. It only takes a few simple steps, and once you know the process, you can repeat it anytime you need icons for your designs. This is a fast, beginner-friendly workflow that's perfect for saving time and improving your design process. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.